Definitely, definitely. This year I'm planning for some Tamil movie. I'm listening a lot many scripts, so if something good will pop up, then definitely I'll go for Tamil cinema also. Hi Shekhar. Oh, old age Showpiece acting. Oh, what to do? I told you the beggars cannot be choosers. I've been offered some of the roles, which I cannot deny. But yes, I'll try my level best. And what you told me, I'll keep that in my mind. Okay? Were you born beautiful or are you grown up? Both ways. Hi, Costume. Hi, Costume. Okay, we are already friends. Don't worry. Do you have any idea to enter Bollywood? I don't know, yaar. Bollywood is quite tough. I mean, I don't know. I feel so good over here in Tollywood. I don't feel like going there. But yes, if something good will come up, I mean, any different kind of script and something quite decent thing will come up, then definitely I'll go. Otherwise, I'm really happy over here. Favorite place in Hyderabad? I'll tell you. See, for last 2 years, I was staying there near, if you know, Madhapur. I was there only for last 2 years, and hardly I got time to, wander around. So yeah, Madhapur is good. Jubilee Hills is good. Then Manikonda is a nice place. Just I don't know much about Hyderabad. Now I shifted here. Like for last 25 days, I have been staying here in Hyderabad, and I have. I'll not say that I've shifted my base over here, but yes, for at least for 6 7 months, I'm here only. So yeah, soon I'll update you what is going to be my favorite place. Don't act in bold characters. Okay, fine. My Bollywood actress favorite Kareena Kapoor. मैं ना अपनी favorite हूँ. This is my favorite one. Hi honey, you really like my movies. Thank you. Thank you for the appreciation. Now, guys, I gotta go, and it was lovely chit chatting with all of you because I'm live after a very long time, after 2 3 months. So, yeah, I felt so good and so relieved talking to you people. So please wait for 7 p.m. and I want you people to comment or DM me. Would love to read your comments and would love to get review from you people. You are going to see a new avatar of mine at 7. How was your experience while working for Venki Mama? It was indeed very great just because I worked with Venki sir for the very first time and he's such a legendary actor. So initially I was quite nervous. I don't know how I am going to react and how I am going to, say dialogues in front of him. I was actually shivering in front of him and he just came and he just hugged me and he was like, Payal, tum theek hai? He's broken Hindi. So yeah, he made me felt really comfortable on the sets and I felt so good working with him. I mean, again and again, I want to work with him. So yeah, it was an amazing, amazing experience for the rest of my life. My favorite actor, Kareena Kapoor, Mary bhi. Everybody missing. Oh, Mumbai, yaar, I'm missing Mumbai so very much. I mean, once lived in Mumbai, you cannot go back, and that's indeed true. So, of course, I'm missing Mumbai right now. Mumbai is love, but as of now, Hyderabad is my karm bhumi. So I have to be here, work here, and during this COVID time it's very difficult to commute. I mean, traveling every other day, it's very difficult for me and it's very risky too, so I don't want to take that risk. That's why I shifted to Hyderabad at least for some time. Shekhar, Atul, Gopi, hi guys. Hi guys, a big hi from my side. Now I have to go, and it was lovely talking to all of you. Nishal recently watched RX 100, and come on, how could you be with that? That was a movie. Come on, come out of it. So many people ask me the same question: how you can be so mean with that guy? How you killed him and all? But that was just a character I played. That was not in real, right? So guys, just don't take it otherwise. Chill. You enjoyed the movie, no? That was the ultimate thing. Hi Payal from Shyam Reddy. My favorite song is Nuve Natho. Oh, I can't sing. But all thanks to Subramanyam Garu, he sung this song for us and he's no more right now. So I feel really blessed and fortunate that at least he sung for me. So yeah. Okay, I'll make you meet someone. Bunny, come. Bunny, come. We are live right now. Look at my baby. Say hi to everyone. Hi, Facebook family. Hello. He is least interested. Come on, at least smile. You don't want to come live? Okay, go. He's annoyed by me. Chalo guys, all right. I had so much of fun with all of you, so now I gotta go. And please stay tuned. And oh my God, hey Baba, इतने सारे messages आ रहे हैं. I'm not able to go actually. But anyway, I have to go, and I'll come live very soon again. So lots of love to all of you, and thank you so much for loving me this much. Mwah. Lots of love.
సమయం తెలుగు సమయం తెలుగు సమయం తెలుగు సమయం తెలుగు సమయం తెలుగు
సమయం తెలుగు
ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్
సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయాలి, గంట మీద ఒత్తాలి.